guys, today I'm going to show you how to cook the tuna patties. If you follow me carefully, you will find it's so easy, so quick, but so delicious. Let's get started. First, let's drain the tuna. Here's 1 can of tuna, about 425 grams. Of course, you can use any kinds of tuna you like. Different kinds make different tastes. Maybe something will make surprise for you. It's hard for me to choose when I get to the supermarket, like lemon, chilli, or lots of. We need a cup of vegetables to be together with tuna. They combine will make a great taste. Onion about 100 grams, bell chilli about 50 grams, coriander about 20 grams. Just chop them into small pieces. It's not hard, isn't it? Next, I'm going to make a cashew sauce roughly. We can just use the ingredients we already have easily. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Okay, 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Very important thing is, few drops sesame oil will make the sauce perfect. That's it. Let's beat 2 eggs. Beautiful! I like eggs. Just whisk it well. Now everything's ready. Let's make the tuna patties. So excited. Add the onion. Add the bell chilli. Add the coriander. Here's a trick of this recipe. Let's add breadcrumbs, about 60 grams. It really makes the tuna patties crispy and texture. Salt to taste. Half teaspoon of black ground pepper. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. It's very simple, very easy. No many ingredients, no many condiments. We really need to mix them well. It's a very easy way to make the patties. We just roll the patty hands by hands, then press it, then just fix the shape. Aha! We've got a lot. Look at them. Time to fry them. Put the medium-high heat, then fry each side about 3-4 minutes until they become golden brown. Listen. The oil is burning the tuna patties. Oh, I like this sound. Beautiful. 4 minutes later, just turn over. Oh, my new pan is so smooth. Everyone loves new things, right? But not a new husband. All done. Oh, smells so good. I like the color, so beautiful. Let's take them out one by one carefully. Oh, I can't wait. You guys want to give it a try? Why not? Oh, yum. Kitchen was so hot. Anyway, all done. Come and try, guys. See you next time.